Do you love playing golf in the best possible conditions? Do you enjoy sunshine, peaceful surroundings, and having the course right at your doorstep? And what if your home offered all of that with privacy, space, and the perfect setting for a relaxed Mediterranean lifestyle? Welcome to this bright, south-facing penthouse apartment at Las Ramblas Golf. This duplex penthouse is spread over the top 2 floors, offering 91 square meters of interior living space. The main level welcomes you with a spacious lounge and dining area that opens directly onto a south-facing terrace, ideal for al fresco dining and enjoying the sun from morning to evening. The open-plan kitchen features a breakfast bar, and includes white goods and air conditioning, and an adjoining utility room. The apartment is sold part-furnished, freshly repainted. You'll also find 2 double bedrooms with built-in wardrobes, and a full guest bathroom. Heading upstairs, the second level features a very generous master bedroom, complete with ample wardrobe space. An ensuite bathroom. And direct access to a spectacular 36 square meter private solarium. This rooftop space offers complete privacy, perfect for sunbathing, relaxing, or entertaining, and also includes a practical storage area. Private garage and additional storage room. The community offers a communal pool and well-maintained gardens, all just steps away. And even though you're surrounded by the peaceful greens of Las Ramblas Golf, you're never far from what you need. Within just 5 minutes by car, you'll find bars, restaurants, and grocery stores. Everything you need for everyday living or relaxed evenings out. And only a short drive away lies Playa de la Glea in Campoamor, considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the Orihuela Costa. With its clean, soft sand and long shoreline, it's the perfect spot for evening walks, swimming, and long days of lounging in the sun. Whether you're a golfer, a beach lover, or simply searching for a peaceful home in a prestigious location, this penthouse offers a lifestyle full of comfort and opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And let me know in the comments, could you imagine living here? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.